Hey everyone! If you're looking to find the perfect gifts for your kids or just want to know about the latest in futuristic fun, you're in the right place. We're counting down 9 futuristic toys. Every kid must have that are bound to blow your mind. Stick around till the end for a special surprise, and make sure to check out the links to each toy in the description below. First up, we have the Flying Ball Boomerang Fly Orb Magic with LED lights. This toy is like something out of a science fiction movie. You can throw it in the air and it will magically come back to you like a boomerang. Plus, the LED lights make it perfect for nighttime play. It's a great way for kids to have fun while improving hand-eye coordination. Trust me, once you get your hands on this, it's hard to put it down. Next up, we have the DIY Construction Marble Run Racetrack Building Blocks. This toy allows kids to build their own racetracks, designing each curve and twist to guide their marbles. It's not just a fun game, it also encourages creativity, problem solving, and even some basic engineering skills. Plus, watching the marble race down your custom track is so satisfying. Who wouldn't want to be the architect of their own marble city? For all the young inventors out there, the Microbit V2 sensor module kit is a must-have. This tiny programmable computer allows kids to build and code their own gadgets, from robots to games. It's a fantastic introduction to coding, electronics, and creative tech for kids who want to explore the world of STEM. The possibilities with this kit are endless, and it's a great way for kids to start learning about technology in a fun and interactive way. Now, let's talk about something truly futuristic: Pico 4 Pro VR glasses. These virtual reality glasses take gaming and learning to a whole new level. Whether kids want to dive into a new world or learn in an immersive environment, these glasses are the future of interactive play. With its lightweight design and impressive graphics, it's perfect for hours of entertainment. It's like stepping into the future, one adventure at a time. Next, we have the RP800A 3D Professional Printing. This 3D printer is perfect for kids who love creating and building. From toys to models, kids can print their designs right from home. It's an amazing tool that lets creativity run wild, allowing children to bring their ideas to life in 3D form. Imagine being able to print your own toys, keychains, or even little gadgets. It's the ultimate future maker tool. Next up, we have the Potensic Single-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. This is no ordinary toy drone. With its 4K camera, kids can capture amazing aerial footage and explore their surroundings like never before. The built-in GPS means it's super stable, and the single-axis gimbal keeps the camera steady for clear, smooth videos. Plus, it's packed with fun features like Follow Me mode, where the drone literally follows you around. Next on our list is the original Luna Dog robot toy, your child's new best friend. This adorable robot dog is packed with personality and AI features. Luna can perform tricks, respond to voice commands, and even recognize faces. With its realistic movements and interactive features, it's like having a real pet, without the need to clean up after it. Now, this one is seriously futuristic: the 3D hologram projector. Imagine projecting 3D images right into the air. With this device, kids can display anything from animals to spaceships in mid-air. It's a great way to introduce them to the world of holograms and 3D tech. Plus, it's super fun for creative projects, interactive games, or even displaying cool 3D art. And last but not least, we have the WL916 or 915 RC boat. If your kids love water sports, this high-speed RC boat is a must-have. It can hit speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest RC boats on the market. It's incredibly easy to control, so even younger kids can steer it with precision across lakes, pools, or any open water. From boomerang flying orbs to 3D printers, these toys are not only fun, but also educational and innovative. They're designed to spark creativity, curiosity, and excitement for the future. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to grab your favorite futuristic toys today. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the coolest toys and gadgets we review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.